Most people work harder every year, yet move nowhere. Not because they are lazy, but because they were never taught the rules of money. Chosen Few strips away hype, noise, and fake financial promises, replacing them with clarity, discipline, and repeatable systems for real wealth. This is about delayed gratification, patience, control, and long-term thinking. Financial independence is built quietly, not loudly. This is not motivation. This is education. This channel isn't for everyone. It's for the disciplined, the focused, the chosen few.